Hey YouTube, so in this video we're going to be doing some side-by-side comparisons of these two red laser devices that I constructed recently. Both of these laser diodes were purchased off of eBay for very cheap, and both have a description for at least 150 milliwatt transmit output power. But we're going to see about that. I don't think that's actually true. I am under the belief that this is 20 milliwatt output power range. Well, this one is about 30 milliwatt output power range, and we're going to be doing some material tests to see what these lasers are capable of doing. So I've actually shown this laser hardware in a previous video, but that was for a 5 milliwatt laser diode. Now that I've upgraded the diode to a much higher power output, we can do some tests here to confirm if this is a truly dangerous laser. Alright, so here we're going to go through our first test. We're going to see if the red laser can punch through thin black plastic or even cut through it. Supposedly it has a transmittance output power of 150 milliwatts, but I have some doubts about that. Alright, so let's first arm the laser. Next we'll hit the switch, and we'll find the focal point in the beam and see if it can punch through. Okay, it can definitely punch through. Wow. And this right here is the danger of cheap eBay lasers. Yeah, you can see some holes there. It should be able to cut through. And there you have it. It cut through the plastic there. This would be classified as a class 3B red laser, and definitely not a standard 5 milliwatt keychain laser here. Alright, now we can test this other laser device here. Oh, look at that, it shoots right through. Yep, there it goes. This laser has a much slower rate of absorption, it seems. And there it goes. Yep. So it does cleanly poke holes through thin black plastic, but at a much slower rate. You see the holes there? I'm not going to bother with cutting because the rate of absorption is quite slower comparably to the other laser. Alright, so to conclude this video, we can verifiably say that this laser right here is actually much more hazardous than this laser, which disproves what I hypothetically said in the beginning of the video. So this one comes out as a winner at about 30 milliwatts, more or less, and this is about 20 milliwatts, more or less. Definitely not the 150 milliwatt transmit output as stated in the description of these eBay purchases. So, and that goes without saying that anything above typically 50 milliwatts or even just under that is going to ignite a match near instantly. So these lasers are definitely not capable of doing that, nor are they capable of engraving wood, but they will definitely punch holes through thin black plastic. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and hopefully you learned a bit more about the hazards of cheap eBay laser products. Definitely always wear eye protection and definitely have the right testing protocols set forth before you start to have any fun with your laser and laser experiments.